My name is Dr. Vivek Modi. I'm a professional speaker and a wellness educator. Welcome all of you to this channel of Suman TV. Today I want to talk something related to the most important soft skill called communication skills. I have been into professional speaking for last 10 years. And in 10 years, I have been speaking on so many topics. I found that if there has to be one most important thing to be learned, as in for soft skills, it is none other than communication skills. I would like to share a real story. There used to be this man called S. Narendran, and this is a real story of about approximately 4 decades old. S. Narendran was a fresh IIT graduate, and he got his first job opportunity with Apollo Tyres, where he joined as a sales and marketing team person. During one unfortunate incident, when he was traveling between Meerut and Delhi, he met with an accident, and next day he found himself in the hospital to realize the horrible thing that he has lost his right leg. From just above the knee, it was chopped. He went into complete depression. The cycle of crying, not able to fathom and accept the situation that his life has just started, and in the beginning itself, he has lost his right leg. And when this happened, he started thinking that what was my mistake? Why I had to go through this? My life has just started. I worked so hard with IIT, and now when I was about to take off, this unfortunate thing happened with me. So many people from his company, from Apollo Tyres, came and tried to console him. They told him that we would like to get you into some field where you will be able to work even in this situation. But S. Narendran was completely unconsolable. At that moment, his boss, Udyan Dravid, walks into the hospital room. Looking at him, S. Narendran again starts crying. Udyan Dravid tells him something which you got to listen. He says, "See Narendran, it was when I joined this Apollo Tyres, our company had turnover of about 50 crores. And today, it is about 400 crores. It was minus 17 crore, and today it is plus 80 crore. And I want you to know that to bring it from 50 CR to 400 CR and minus 17 CR to 80 CR, I have never ever used my legs." Udyan Dravid says that and simply walks off. And S. Narendran says he was so inspired by this small piece of communication that he decided to fight the life the way it comes. He decided to face the challenge head on. Udyan Dravid went on to become head of sales and marketing Apollo Tyres. Later on, he went on to head TVS Motors, and then he started his own journey, entrepreneurial journey, where he did a very successful work. The message here is, a man who was absolutely under depression was evoked to life by a small piece of communication. It was his boss who displayed his extraordinary leadership ability, his soft skill of communication, where he could bring back one of his teammate, one of the important member of his sales team to the life. And it changed his life. Friends, think, what would be Narendra Modi minus his communication skills? Didn't Barack Obama got his presidency And one of the important role was because of his powerful communication skills. Who can forget Swami Vivekananda's Chicago speech in 1893? That speech, which was only there for less than 4 minutes, but changed the way the world looked at India. It was a clear-cut display of not just extraordinary communication, but a great personality. And it changed the way Western world looked at India. I cannot highlight enough the importance of communication in our life. Friends, whether you are a teacher or a businessman, whether you are an employee or an employer, you might be in a leadership position, you might be struggling for your career, you might be moving door to door for giving interviews. At every place you would find that it is your communication which is going to help you and which is going to differentiate between you and those people who have similar skills like you. With communication, you get the power to influence, you get the power to convince, you get the power to solve a conflict, you get the power to promote something, you get the power to sell an idea or product. Communication skill is one which gives you highest return. And best brains in the world believe that the best investment is the investment in self. Friends, I have been taking my online courses because of this COVID situation. And I have been training many professionals who are into directly or indirectly communication business. For example, there are some teachers, professors who teach students. And in the online world, they say it has become even more challenging because our communication is happening more or less one way. Yes, we have technology like Zoom or Google Meet or many others like that, but still it has a limitation. We do not have a classroom audience now. We don't get the feedback the way we get in the classroom. And they tell me that now we need to up the skill of communication even more. We need to ensure that the students, the audience listen to us. And if we cannot create powerful communication, we are going to fail in completing our duty. With day by day, you would see this, that the importance of effective communication will only increase. Political parties today are realizing, whether it's on social media or through any other channel, they are realizing the value of correct communication. Not just what to speak, but how to speak. Not just your words, but your body language. It takes a whole set of skills. But what is good news here? Good news is communicators are not born. It's not a skill which comes by birth. It's a trainable skill. I am a vivid example of it. For example, I did my MBBS. I'm a medical doctor by education. When I did my MBBS, I didn't know how to speak in English. First time ever I spoke in English was in my first year MBBS. Even my entrance was in Hindi medium. I come from a very small town in Rajasthan where nobody speaks in English. And for me, talking in English was a bigger challenge than my subjects in first year MBBS. But you know, as I told you, it's a trainable skill. If anyone who is watching this at Suman TV, if anyone believes that my communication skills are not good, I have a news for you that you can improve it. There are ways. There is a process. There is a formula. And formula doesn't care who applies it. Whoever applies it will get the result. I would share in coming episodes about how to take on this challenge of developing yourself as a good communicator. So, I am Dr. Vivek Modi signing off in this episode. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to Suman TV yet, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit a like button and hit the subscriber button. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Vivek Modi signing off.